Embedded systems power everything from smart devices to industrial machinery. With the global embedded systems market projected to reach $130 billion by 2027, skilled engineers are in high demand. In collaboration with EICT IIT Guwahati, DIYguru introduces the Advanced Embedded Systems Design and Development Program. This 6-month program equips you with hands-on skills in microcontroller programming, hardware-software co-design, and real-time systems. You'll work with industry-standard platforms like ARM Cortex and STM32, preparing for roles across automotive, IoT, and industrial automation sectors. From mastering embedded C to exploring IoT protocols like I2C, SPA, and CAN, you'll learn to build high-performance connected systems that meet industry standards and drive innovation. Our program also covers power electronics and digital circuit design, ensuring your systems are energy efficient and reliable, key for applications in smart devices and automation. Join DIYguru and IIT Guwahati to build a future-ready career in embedded systems. Enroll now to be part of the next generation in technology.